If you're looking to find the best roofing contractor on Long Island, there are a few things you need to know. Hey, it's Joe from Rapid Roofing, and in this video, I'm going to share some expert tips on what to look for in your search. All right, let's get into it. First things first, licensing and insurance. This is absolutely non-negotiable. Any legit roofing contractor on Long Island should be fully licensed and insured. Ask for proof. If they can't provide it, walk away. Same thing with permits. A quality contractor handles all the permit work for you. They know the local codes, they pull the permits, they schedule the inspections. You shouldn't have to worry about any of that. Next up, warranty and guarantees. This is huge, right? You're making a big investment in your home. You need to know you're protected. A lot of contractors out there offer 5 years, maybe 10 if you're lucky. At Rapid Roofing, we offer a lifetime warranty. So when you're comparing contractors, make sure to ask them about their warranties. Now let's talk credentials, because this stuff matters. You want a contractor with a proven track record. At Rapid Roofing, we've got an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We're Owens Corning Platinum Preferred, and we've won the Angie's List Super Service Award for the last 3 years. But here's what I'm really proud of. We have over 500 5-star reviews from homeowners right here on Long Island. Ask for local references, and make sure the company you hire can back up what they're telling you. I gotta be real with you here. There are a lot of scams out there in this industry. Guys asking for full payment upfront, contractors with no physical address or website. These are major red flags. If someone's pressuring you to sign right now, or offering a deal that sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your homework. A reputable contractor isn't going to rush you into anything. Get multiple quotes to make sure you have a good feel for what a good rate is. Now this one is huge for me. You should only hire a company that has a dedicated project manager on site the entire time. Look, roofing crews are there to install. That's what they do. You can't expect them to answer your questions, handle surprise issues, or make sure everything matches what you agreed to. A lot of companies say they'll have a project manager there, but they show up for a few minutes in the morning and disappear. At Rapid Roofing, we have someone on site all day, start to finish. So let's recap real quick. Make sure your contractor is licensed and insured, handles all the permits, and offers a solid warranty. Check their credentials, read their reviews, and watch out for scams. Also, make sure there's a project manager on site all day. Your roof is one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home. You deserve a contractor who's going to do it right. If you're on Long Island and you want to work with a team that checks all these boxes, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.